Good morning friends, my name is Prakhar Sharma. Today I am making an homemade thermometer. Disclaimer, this is not used for measurement. This is only used to show how thermometer works. So the items we need the hand sanitizer, an empty bottle, food color, straw, clay and then dropper. First step, you have to pour the hand sanitizer to the empty plastic container. Second step, and make sure you have to wrap the clay around the straw like this so that it will be airtight. Then insert that, put it aside. Now take the food color and the dropper and add the food color in the hand sanitizer. The color can be on your choice. Yeah. Now shake it well so it mixes together. Now insert the straw and make sure it's not fully sunken to the deep. And now let's test it. Now take two glass or bowls and transparent one. Fill one container with hot water and one container with cold water. And now to test the thermometer, let's put it in the hot bowl first. And now one more time, I'll show how does this work. Now first put it in hot water. And as you can see, the temperature has risen because air pressure was a lot inside. Now let's put it in cold water. And as you can see, the temperature has decreased since the higher part of the hot water because of the air pressure inside was very low. Thank you all. I'll show more experiments like this. Till then, have a good day. Thank you. And please make sure to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.